Welcome to this lesson, and we have these three questions on the object-oriented programming, and we are supposed to write those three programs and the Python. So for the first question, we've been asked to write a program which is going to display your first name. So you're supposed to write this program which will display your first name. So to write this program, to display your first name, you need to utilize the print operation. So you just say print, you open your brackets there, you open your brackets, then in the quotes, you shall put your first name there. So you put your first name there in your quotes. So just like that, you have written a Python program, which is simply meant to display your first name, because the instructions are that you should just write this program, which is going to display your first name. And what you need to remember always is that Python is case sensitive. So your print must always be in lowercase. What you put in the quotes, however, is not case sensitive. It is only statements such as print, if, all those are supposed to be in lowercase because they're known as keywords. And Python, of course, does not use any semicolons like other languages. It does not. So that is the first program done and dusted. So now we move on to the second program. In the second program, we are asked to write a program to find the product of x equals 3 and y equals 4. X equals 3 and y equals 4. So for that, we'll simply say x equals 3 because we are supposed to declare these variables, remember? So x equals 3. And then down here, we're going to declare y, which is y equals 4. Now, we are supposed to find the product, and the product operation in math is basically the result of multiplying two or more numbers. So we're trying to find the product of x and y. So we should say product is equals to x times y. So x times y. Then having done this, we will now display the product. So as you can see, when you're multiplying, you make use of this asterisk symbol, the star symbol, this one, because that is what is used in Python to mean multiplication. Just like division, you use the slash. Addition, you use the plus. And for the difference, you use the minus. So when you're trying to multiply two numbers or more numbers, you use the asterisk symbol. That is the one that is used for multiplication. Then you say print. Then what you're going to put there is the product. You're trying to print the product. So you will put the product there. And that is going to enable you now to see the product of x and y. And obviously, 4 times 3 is 12, so you should be able to see a 12 when you run this program. So you should, all these programs that we're writing, you should try them in your IDE. You have to try these programs, of course. Moving on to question number 3. Here we are asked to write a program to display the sum of a equals 12 and b equals 10. So here we have a equals 12, b equals 10. And of course, we've been told to find the sum of a and b. Okay, so there is simply a plus b. The sum is achieved using a plus. So there you say print sum. So what we're printing there is the sum. So all these programs that we've written, You need to try them on your IDE. You try them, you try these programs, you run them. Then you should send screenshots of the outputs that you're going to receive in your IDEs.